Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to update drivers in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to update any of your drivers, it might be your sound drivers, your virtual drivers, or your display drivers. Let's see how we can do that. So the very first thing, you can go to your settings, just click on this window icon here, then go to settings. And in settings, just tap on Windows Update and just try to check for updates. So it will check for the latest updates of the Windows you have available. Or if you're facing the issue that you haven't any pending updates available here, but you still want to update your drivers, so you can also go for your advanced options. Then go to optional updates. So here you might see some optional updates. You can also try to install them. After doing that, you just have to go back and just click on this window icon again, and you just have to simply search for device manager. Just search for this, open this. Now here you might see all of the drivers you have on your PC. So let's say I'm gonna looking for display drivers here. Just tap on this arrow button here, and here you will see your display driver. Just right click on it and then tap on update driver. You can search for automatically. You can search automatically for drivers. You can also browse from your PC. If you have any downloaded browser or any downloaded driver on your PC, so you can also browse that from here. But I'm going to search automatically for drivers. So it will check for the latest updates. If the updates are available, so it will show you here. You can easily download and install updates from here. You can also go to search for update drivers on Windows Update. It will search in Windows Update sections for the latest drivers. So you can, in this way, you can easily update any of your driver. It might be your keyboard driver, your mouse drivers, your audio or video drivers. You can easily update them from here.